Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are getting this lesson from. This is a GP that I want us to revise through together. So let's see how we are going to answer this particular question. It's one of the simple questions that most students fail to answer in an exam. So I just want you to follow me clearly. These are going to help you. So if you are new, make sure that you subscribe or follow my page or channel. So the question is saying the first three terms of a GP that is geometric progression are k plus 4, k and 2k minus 15, where k is a positive constant. Find k. Before you even start answering this particular question, you can even tell that why have they emphasized that k is a positive constant. This is a sign that there is a possibility of you finding out two answers. So now we follow the formula. What is the formula? The formula is T3 over T2, which is equal to T2 over T1. So this is a formula that we get to use each time you want to find a known value in a geometric progression. You are given the first three terms. You've got k plus 4, you've got k, you also have 2k minus 15. So what you are going to do, this is first term, term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3. This is what you are going to do. So even as we continue, those of you that want to start lessons, so I offer lessons in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology. You WhatsApp me on this number. This is my number. This is the number you get to WhatsApp. So if you want to start tuitions, not people that want to ask questions, no. This line is for people that want to join us. So you know that this is the third term. What is our third term? You just say 2k minus 15 over, what is the T3? So T3, that is third term. T2, that is second term, which is a k, is equal to, what is your second term? That is a k over T1, first term, which is k plus 4. From here, what are you going to do? You cross multiply. Where you've got 2k minus 15, you do this. Then you also have that one, k plus 4. You cross multiply. This one goes with that. That one goes with that. Which is equal to k times k. That is k squared. Meaning I just need to expand this part that is here. So 2k. So what happens is this. I want to make this very simple. I know some of you are able to answer this, but I just want to just get the attention of everyone. So have you seen, this is 2k. You get 2k, multiply it with everything in the next bracket, which is k plus 4. You do this, minus, this is a 15, multiply it with everything in the next bracket, that is k plus what? 4, which is equal to k squared. This is what you get to do. Have you seen? So I just want to simplify this and make it simple so that everyone is able to understand. 2k times k, that is 2k squared. 2k times 4, that is 8k. 15k times k, that is negative 15k. Negative 15 times 4, that is 60. You say 60, which is equal to what? Which is equal to k squared. It is at this point now where you get to group the like terms together. So you are going to group the like terms together. So what do? You say, okay, this is what? This is 2k squared. That one is positive. When it comes inside, it becomes minus 2k squared. This is, so what answer are we getting here? 8 minus 15. What is the answer? We are getting negative 7k. Then you say minus 60, which is equal to, here we've remained with nothing. So we just put a what? A 0. So from here now, what you are going to do, you subtract this part here. This is the same as 1k. Have you seen? The same as 1k. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it's just the same as what? It's just the same as k squared minus 7k minus 60, which is equal to what? Equal to 0. So here you need to find the product, the sum, and the factors. These are three things that you need to find. So you know that the product, you get the coefficient of that one times that one. That is negative what? Negative 60. This is what you are supposed to do. The sum is just this one, negative what? 7. You're just getting the coefficients. You say now that the factors are the two numbers that you can multiply to get what? Negative 60. If you add them, you need to get negative 7. What are those two numbers? You'd say, okay, what if you say negative 12 and 5? If you multiply 12 times 5, so I know here, this part, you just need to make sure that you give yourself time, you go through certain questions on how to solve quadratic equations by using factorization method. You need to go through that so that this becomes simple to you. So you know that if you add negative 12 plus 7, you are going to get negative 12 plus 5, you get negative 7. If you multiply them, you discover that you are going to get a what? A negative 60. Since the coefficient is 1, it's just the same as k minus 12 there. Then you say k plus what? 5, which is equal to 0. This is what we do if the coefficient is 1. Meaning the k minus 12, you equate to 0. Or this one, k plus 5, you also equate to 0. So the answers for this is k is equal to what? When it goes this side, it becomes negative 5. This is k. When the negative 12 goes that side, it becomes a what? It becomes a 12. So the question was clearly to say that k is a positive constant. So in other words, k is equal to what? K is equal to 12. That is the answer. We've answered that part. K is equal to what? K is equal to 12. That is how we are supposed to answer it. We move now to the next question. The next question is saying, list the first three terms. So we know this is the first term. First term, that is k plus 4. K is 12. 12 plus 4, that is 16. You put a 16. So that is what? 16. K is 12. You put 12. The same way they are. Here you say, okay, 12 times 2, 24. 24 minus 15. What is the answer? The answer is what? The answer is 9. This is what you are going to do. So these are the first three terms. You follow that, then where there is k, you just put a 12. So this is what you are supposed to do. Calculate the sum to infinity. How do we calculate sum to infinity? First, you find common ratio. Common ratio is equal to, you say second term over first term. First, you find the common ratio. Common ratio is equal to, what is our second term? Second term is this 12 that is there. First term is that 16. 4 there. 4 into 12, that is 3. 4 in there, that is 4. So it is what? 3 over what? 3 over 4. Then from there, what you are going to do, the formula for sum to infinity is this one, which is equal to a over 1 minus r. Where you know that if the common ratio, the modulus of the common ratio is greater than 1, it means that there is no sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is equal to, first term there is 16 over 1 minus 3 over 4. This can also be simplified too. When you simplify this, you are going to have something like, this is what you are going to have. So you are going to have sum to infinity is equal to, this is 16, you say divide. Here, what answer are you getting? So here you are going to get 1 over 4. You know that this gets to change is just the same as 16 times 4 over 1, which is just the same as sum infinity. Sum to infinity is equal to 64 when you multiply. So this is the answer. Thank you so much.